Hi traders, welcome back to my channel Trade with Bharat. So let's analyze what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday Nifty closed at 11,927 and today it opened at 11,889, negative start of 38 points. So based on yesterday's structure and the closing price, I had stated that today I'm having a neutral to slight negative view. And based on today's open, we could easily conclude that it will be a consolidation. The reason is yesterday we had a very big range in the second half of the session, and then today market opened almost at the center of that particular range. So if buyers were strong, they should have taken out this level initially and then 12,000. Or if sellers were strong, they should have taken out maybe here this level and then yesterday's low. Both did not happen, and a lot of rotation, that is, consolidation started happening within this range. Okay, today's high is 11,935 and today's low is 11,827. The today's range is 107.4 points. So based on today's moves or structure, I would say buyers and sellers were present. If you see, selling activity happened here, 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 and even here. So multiple times selling activity happened. At the same time, buyers activity happened in these places. So looking at the overall structure and the way today the Nifty moved within the narrow range, it is neutral close, neutral to very slight bullishness for tomorrow's trade. For tomorrow's trade, if it starts trading above 11,395, it will be good for buyers, and again it should take out 11,950. Some small resistance might face for the buyers at this particular range, maybe like around 30 points odd. Then if they take out this particular range, it can move up easily. And for sellers, anything below 11,827, it will be good for them to push the market onto the lower side. Okay. So yesterday also I had stated that anything above 12,000 it will be good for today, and anything below 11,850 it will be good for sellers. But multiple times those levels were tested and it not break properly, and it was rebounding from this particular level. So let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 24,664 and today it opened at 24,500. Negative start of 165 points. So based on yesterday's structure and closing, I had stated that today I'm having a neutral to slight bullishness. But based on open price, I could conclude that it would be a consolidation day. The same reason again, second half of Bank Nifty, there was a huge volatility. It fell from almost from day's high to day's low, and today it opened the market at the in between the range. So if sellers were strong, they should have taken out the yesterday's low immediately. If buyers were strong, they should have taken either this level or maybe this level, so they can move on in a particular direction, which did not happen. Both buyers and sellers were present in today's market. And looking at the overall structure and the closing price, I have a neutral to slight bullishness. Today's high is 24,740 and low is 24,307, range of 432 points. Okay, so for tomorrow's trade, if it starts trading above 24,636, it will be good for buyers to push the market to the higher side. And for the sellers, if they start trading below 24,456, it will be good for sellers to push the market to the lower side. Okay, so let's move on to second section, that is reviewing call shared on Telegram channel. First call which I shared was Cipla. That was a buy call at 770. The buy call was not initiated. Second call was a Dabur. Dabur was a sell call at 508. The trade got triggered here and then it bounced from this particular region. It's a stop loss set. So summary of that is here, minus 800. One risk is okay. Assume capital is 1 lakh. So let's move on to the third section, that is shortlisted stock for next trading session. The first stock which I've shortlisted is RBL Bank. RBL Bank also opened up flat. and it started trading in a very narrow range. But if you observe, every time it started moving up, like it started making slightly started moving higher and higher. Okay, so if you look at the overall structure, so this particular stock is having a neutral to bullishness view. Anything if it starts trading above this region, it will be good for buyers to push this particular stock on the higher side. And anything below this region, some weakness you can see, and then slowly it will sliding down further. Okay, second stock which I've shortlisted is Adani Enterprise. It started trading in a rarer range as market was today also narrow. And if you see, the close is slightly at the end, near to the days low, like I would say. So the overall structure and the closing price indicates that sellers might have an upper hand. So this I'll be having a neutral to negative view. Anything if it starts trading above this particular region, slowly short covering will happen, and also buyers will come and they can push this particular stock on the higher side. And anything below this particular zone 310, you can see some sellers coming and pushing this particular stock on the lower side. Third stock which I've shortlisted is Berger Paints. Berger Paints started consolidating in a very narrow range. Again, if you observe, this particular stock started moving slightly on the higher side, and it has closed from neutral to slight bullishness for tomorrow's trade. And I think if it starts trading above this region, it will be good for buyers to push this particular stock on the higher side. And anything below this region, you can expect this particular stock to become weak and then go down further. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.